Hey everyone, quick heads up before we start. Use the special link in the description to access this deal. I found what I believe is the biggest Hostinger coupon code available right now. Hostinger is running up to 75% off hosting, plus their AI website builder, a free domain for 1 year, free site migration, and 24/7 support. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. They have 3 main plans. Starter at $2.99, Growth plus AI at $3.99, and Scale plus AI at $7.99 per month, all already discounted. For this demo, I'm choosing the Growth plus AI plan. Click Choose Plan to go to checkout. On the cart page, look for the coupon field. Type Hostinger10 and hit Apply. You'll see an extra 10% removed from your total. That's stacked on top of the 75% offer, which is why I call it the biggest Hostinger coupon code right now. That extra 10% usually equals another $20 to $30 saved, depending on the plan and billing term. So the best way to get this deal is to click the link in the description, pick your plan, and enter Hostinger10 at checkout. All right, don't miss this. Click the link, use Hostinger10, and start your website today with Hostinger at the lowest price available.